Walk into any gas station, and you will see the same three buttons: regular, mid-grade, and premium. The price difference between them is massive, but most drivers have no idea what they are actually paying for. There is a common myth that premium gas is better for your car. People think it contains more energy, that it burns cleaner, or that it will give their regular sedan a boost in horsepower. This is completely false. The number you see on the pump, 87, 91, or 93, is the octane rating. This is not a power rating. It is a measurement of the fuel's resistance to burning. That sounds backwards, doesn't it? Premium gas is actually harder to ignite than regular gas. It is designed this way for high-performance engines with high compression ratios. These engines squeeze the air-fuel mixture so tightly that regular gas would explode too early, causing a damaging knock or ping. Premium gas resists this pressure and waits for the spark plug to fire. If your car's manual says it needs regular 87 octane, putting 93 premium in the tank does absolutely nothing for you. Your engine does not have the compression to take advantage of it. It won't make your car faster, and it won't make it cleaner. Federal laws require that all grades of gasoline, from the cheapest to the most expensive, contain the same minimum level of cleaning detergents. So paying extra for cleaner gas is often just marketing hype. Open your fuel door. If the sticker says unleaded fuel only or lists 87 octane, stop donating your money to the oil companies. Stick to regular. Your engine won't know the difference, but your wallet definitely will.